Good morning, ma'am. I am Martin from Florida, and I will going to demonstrate formula feeding in the module titled Providing Care and Support the Infants and Toddlers. The first thing we need to do is the proper hand washing. We prepare all the needed materials such as three clean cloth tray, two tongs, um, two basin, one with warm water and warm warm with warm water with soap, and one with warm water for rinsing, liquid soap, bottle brush, nipple brush, bathing bottle, and bottle wrap in the sterilizer. And put liquid soap in one basin with lukewarm water, and dismantle the feeding bottle. Dismantle the feeding bottle. Check if there is leftover milk. If there is, discard the milk. Discard the milk and put the feeding bottle in the basin with lukewarm water with soap and all the materials. And put a small amount of lukewarm water with soap in a bottle, then clean it with the bottle brush in circular motion. Make sure that the tip of the bottle brush touches the bottom of the bottle to ensure no clogged ink left. Then proceed to cleaning the other part of the bottle and place it in other basin with lukewarm water and clean the other materials. And clean the nipple with nipple brush. You can invert the nipple to clean it better. And rinse well with lukewarm water. And put the materials in the tray with clean cloth in a safe position. And cover it with clean cloth. Get the pre-clean sterilizer. Check if there is leftover water. If there is, discard the water, and put the filling bottles in the sterilizer. And the other accessories. Put 3/4 water in the sterilizer, and make sure all the materials submerge, and cover the sterilizer, plug it, turn it on, and let it boil. At the boiling point, start timing after 5 minutes of boiling, and cover the sterilizer. Get the tongue using a clean cloth, and pick up the other materials using the tongue. the sterilizer and continue boiling the feeding bottles for another 15 minutes. Total time for boiling is 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn off the sterilizer and get the feeding bottle and place it to the tray using the tongue and cover the materials using cling cloth. And we need to do a proper hand washing. Assemble the feeding bottle. Make sure that that you do not touch the nipple. And do not touch the nipple and put the other bottle that are not in use in a clean container and put it in a fridge to preserve the sterility of the bottles. And we need to do a proper hand washing. Prepare all the needed materials such as the feeding bottle, the milk formula, distilled or flavored water, the oil to open the can, the knife for removing the milk, and also the cling cloth. With the manufacturer's instructions to know the proper amount of water and milk, and check the expiration date of the milk. Pour the appropriate amount of distilled or pre-boiled water in a bottle, then slightly cover it. Clean the cover of the milk can before opening using clean cloth, and open the milk can using coin if necessary. Scoop the milk. Level it with using the back of the knife and pour the milk in the bottle, but make sure that the bottle is on the top of the milk to avoid spilling. Cover the milk right away, also cover the bottle. Shake the bottle in circular motion. Using your palms of your hand to avoid forming bubbles. And check the temperature of the milk using your wrist dorsum or your hands. We need to do again a proper hand washing. Check the temperature of the milk by spilling a little amount onto your wrist, and get the baby on the we need to prepare the materials for feeding, such as the birthing cloth, the bib, and also the feeding bottle. And we need to do a proper hand washing and check the temperature of the milk by spilling a little amount onto your wrist, and pick up the baby on the crib in a cradle hold, then sit down. Check the baby if hungry. By checking its sucking reflex by putting your pinky fingers into the side of the baby's mouth. If the baby is hungry, put the baby on the baby's neck, and get the milk bottle. Check if there is the presence of the bubbles. If there is, slightly loosen the collar of the bottle to release air. And slightly and tightly close the bottle and offer the bottle to the baby. But make sure that the nipple is full to avoid colic, and halfway through the feeding, remove the nipple from the baby's mouth. And burp the baby. After hearing the burping sound, check the rooting reflex of the baby. If the baby is still hungry, continue feeding. And after the baby has finished the milk, remove the bib and burp the baby again. After hearing the burping sound, put the baby in the crib in a sideline position. And put the bib on the side of the baby. And remove the other pillow and put the pillow on the back of the baby and remove the other pillow if there is. And after a while, put the baby back in a supine position and remove the bib on the side of the baby to put the baby stiff, and do the aftercare by cleaning the materials. And do the proper hand.